Research Rock. It's me Sangram. Today's video we will see detailed review of one of the best product I saw ever in my blogging point of view. That product name is Andobil, and this is a local tripod. I always use every year 3 to 4 tripods because of sometimes the tripod is damaged here, the screw is not working, this so many errors and problems are come. But just couple of weeks ago, just last week, I'm buying this Andobil product and I thought I can make a review and share with my audience. So if you decided to buy some of the tripods, so my suggestion, you can buy Andobil related product because of that one is a quite amazing, flexible and easy to handy to carry wherever you want, wherever you are going to traveling. So we will see detailed demonstration. First of all, I will tell you this is a tripod. This tripod price around $25 and this tripod price around $70. So this is a so expensive, that one, and that one is a cheap. But if you are buying this one, so every year you at least buy 3 to 4 if you are a blogger. This product is not handy to carry in your traveling bag and all. This is a perfect, this is the size of the standard size of this product, this tripod, and this is an Andobil product. So I will tell you the standard size of this product. So look at this, this is the standard size of the product. Even you can remove this one, so you can put in other luggages. This is the standard of this particular tripod. And look at this, this is very complicated to open here. So sometimes I'm stuck like this and you can fix out here. Both products are connected like a DSLR camera and your GoPro. This product also connected DSLR, GoPro and tripod. So look at this. This one is very handy. I just simply open here and look at this. It's very handy. I can use one of my hand and fix out here. So look at this here, the quality of the product. You can very easily fix out here the camera. For the magnet also available, you can put it here like this. You can rotate which location you want. The same process you can do this tripod also, but this tripod advantage comes here. Here is a magnet available if you are looking this video. So here is a magnet and you can very easily connect here and fix out any kind of devices here. So this magnet are not falling down any smartphone devices. And look at this, if you are pressing backside the button like this switch, so very easily fix out here. So you can connect the GoPro also here and you can connect GoPro also here. You can connect DSLR also here and here also the same product. The product outcome are same, but advantage and handy, that one is really different quality of output. And now I will tell you what exactly height of this product and this product, which one is a heighted and which one is very compact for the handy. So handy point of view, that one is really compact. You can put it in your college bag, laptop bag and travel bag very easily. And this one is you facing some of the problem because of some of the sticks here. So your traveling bag or laptop bag doing some broken because of this one is a so hard pain. And this one most of time, this one also not used some of the time as my experience. So some of the output, which one is height. Now we will see height of the both products. So look at this here, for the particular portion which tripod is consuming a lot of portion. So accordingly this tripod is taking lot of portion and this one is taking small. Now we'll see the height of the both products. This is a 2 portion around my height, and now we'll see this tripod height. So look at this here, both tripod height are same but feature is totally different. So using this tripod, some of the features are available here and that one is a really problematic. You are facing the problematic, and this tripod is very smooth. If you want reduce your height, so just simply press Don't too much pressure, put it here very easily. Reduce the height. This tripod, this is Andobil tripod MagStick. This is Andobil MagStick, and this tripod size you always fix out here, this one, and then again here, and again put it down. This is a disadvantage of this particular tripod, and even you are reducing this one, that one is really that one is not good. If you are putting here, so this is very harmful for your hand, and you are not able to look like this recording and capturing pictures. This one is not good at my point of view. And now I will tell you advantage of this tripod. So now you can reduce the size like this tripod, and that one is really compact. And look at this here, this portion is very important. So using this one like this, connected here like this, and you can very easily capture some of the pictures. And one important points come here, they are providing remote control, and this remote control connected on Bluetooth, and this Bluetooth you can connect very easily this particular mobile device, and the switch is here, so you can very easily capture the picture like this. And that one is really compact, not so much weighted. You can very easily carry this particular tripod in your college bag, and like this also. Even you can fix out here your DSLR and then very easily capture some of the pictures. This Bluetooth you can connect in your DSLR. I have in Canon Mark II, so I always connect Canon Mark II here, and then I'm capturing some of the picture with my partner in a different tourist location. So I'm not asking anyone, can you please make a picture for me? So this is not needed. You just fix out here your DSLR, and using this remote you can very easily capture some of the pictures. This one is a really amazing product, Andobil MagStick. You can purchase this one. As my point of view, compared to other tripods, the Andobil MagStick is quite compact, handy, and quality is very rich. You can feel very rich after buying this particular product and taking your hand. That one is really amazing. So this is a simple review of which tripod is best and which tripod is not good for the vlogging point of view. If you really like this review video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.